Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make these kind of geode resin coasters. Here I'm using Epocart resin, which is 3:1 ratio. You need to mix 3 parts of resin with 1 part of hardener. Take a kitchen scale to measure it. If you're using 30 grams of resin, then you need to add 10 grams of hardener and mix well. Pour the clear resin to the coaster molds and then allow it to completely dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, do not remove it from the silicone mold. After 24 hours, that is the next day, mix some resin, clear resin, and then add it into separate cups and add the pigments into it. The colors which I am using are lemon mint, purple haze, metallic gel, Kohinoor gold, ultra white. I am using gold and some blue glitters. Next, take the pigments. Here I am using purple haze metallic gel pigment. Take some glitters and add it into the resin and mix well. Similarly, add some lemon mint into the resin and mix well. Next, add the glitters to the resin and mix well. Here I am using some blue and some gold glitters. Add the glitters to the resin and mix it well. After you mix the pigments and the glitters with the resin, you need to allow it for at least 4 hours to thicken up before you proceed on. I wanted some pink color, so I had this pink alcohol ink. So I'm adding it to the resin and I'm using this. You can see that the resin has been cured for 24 hours, and after that you don't have to remove it from the mold. Just add some crystals, cut crystals into it. These are epoch crystals, transparent crystals, which I'm adding. Add some clear resin on the crystals. With the help of a stick, ensure that all the crystals are intact and in place. Next, add the gold pigment mixed with resin as shown. Once you are done with the gold, next apply white color and merge it with the gold as shown. After white, add some purple haze metallic gel color. After white, apply purple haze metallic gel mixed with resin as shown. Add some lemon mint green color to it in between the gaps. Here and there you can add some fluorescent pink color. Complete the look by adding some glitters. Once you're done, allow it to completely dry for 24 hours. This is how it looks after demolding. Next, take 18 karat gold pen and then design it as per your choice. Once you're done, apply a coat of clear resin on the coasters. This is how it looks after you apply a coat of clear resin. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe. Please click on the subscribe button and then hit on the bell icon so that whenever I post any videos, you will be notified with the message.